Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Canon error code 1403, a common issue that can pop up on your Canon printer and leave you scratching your head. If you're dealing with this error in 2025, you're in the right place. I'll explain what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is error code 1403? This error typically indicates a problem with the printer's waste ink absorber or ink system. It's Canon's way of telling you that the internal sponge that absorbs excess ink is full or malfunctioning. Don't panic. This is a fixable issue, but ignoring it could lead to bigger problems like ink leaks or permanent damage. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons for error code 1403 include a full waste ink tank, which happens after prolonged use without maintenance, faulty ink cartridges that aren't seating properly, or even a software glitch from outdated drivers. Environmental factors like dust buildup or improper printer handling can also contribute. If you've been printing a lot without cleaning your printer, this might be the culprit. Alright, time for the good part, solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears minor glitches. Next, check for any paper jams or physical obstructions inside the printer. Open the covers carefully and remove any stuck paper or debris. If that doesn't work, you'll need to reset the waste ink counter. On most Canon models, you can do this by entering service mode. Hold down the stop or resume button while turning on the printer, then press it twice more until the alarm light flashes. Use the buttons to select the reset option. Check your printer's manual for exact steps, as they vary by model. Also, ensure your printer drivers are up to date by visiting Canon's official website and downloading the latest software for your device. As a final step, if the error persists, it might be time to replace the ink absorber pad or seek professional help from a Canon service center. Regular maintenance, like cleaning your printer every few months, can prevent this error from recurring. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing Canon error code 1403. I hope this video saved you time and frustration. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy printing!